Namaste everyone. Welcome to our day 25 and let's begin today's practice. Come onto your knees. And stretch your left leg out. Inhale, bring your right arm up. And as you exhale, bend towards the left. Chest towards the ceiling. And now, as you hold, try to bend slightly more with each breath you exhale. And inhale back. Bring the hand on the ground. Left arm up, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, bring your left leg up. And come down. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, right hand on the ground. Left arm up. And lift the leg as high up as possible. Balance. Exhale down. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, bend to the left. Back to the center. Hand down. Left arm up, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Change your leg. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, bend to the right. As you hold, try to go slightly more down with each breath you exhale. Inhale, come back. Left hand on the ground. Right arm up, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale back, left hand on the ground, right arm up, inhale, exhale, inhale, right leg up, exhale down, inhale, left arm up, exhale, bend to the right, inhale up. Exhale, left hand on the ground, right arm up, inhale, exhale, and inhale, right leg up. Exhale down. Then left foot on the ground. Left foot front, 90 degree. Bend your right knee gently. Grab with your right hand. Balance. Then see if you can also bring your left hand back. Grab the right foot now with your both hands. Pull the leg towards you and balance. Good. Exhale, release. Change your leg. Take support, bend the left knee. Hold with your left hand. balance. Once you're ready, bring the right hand back and balance. Exhale, release. Then interlock your fingers on the back. Adjust your knee. See if you need a blanket, folded blanket under your knee. And pull your hand back. Come back to the center. Change your leg. Interlock your hands on the back. Inhale. As you exhale, pull your hand towards the ground and chest towards the sky. Come back to the center and stand onto your knees for half camel. Knees about hip wide open. And inhale, bring your right arm up. Exhale, bring the right hand onto the right foot, left arm towards the sky. Exhale, release. Change your hand. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, left hand on the left foot, right arm towards the sky. Exhale, release. Then sit onto your foot and remove the legs away from the hips. So your hips on the ground, sitting bones on the ground. Take support of your hands. Roll down. If you can't go further, if you are a beginner, you can stay here. If you can go all the way, lift your hips up, drop the hips down, and roll your body all the way down. Bring the hand either straight, stretched out like this, or fold them to interlock, touch your elbows like this. Support with your hands. Push with your elbows. Come back. Go in child pose and relax in child pose for about 30 seconds to up to 2 minutes. Whenever you're ready, gently sit up. Give thanks in prayer pose and gently open your eyes. Namaste.